Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of keep stopping on Pixiv. You will go to settings. You will click on apps, default apps, app settings. You will search for Pixiv. You will click you will click on first stop and you will click OK. You will go to storage. You will click on clear cache. Then you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching.